Hey guys, so I wanted to make a video that kind of explains how I paint eyes. I wanted to make this video because I see a lot of people that make a lot of the usual mistakes, and I try to, they've asked me for advice, and I've tried to explain it, but I've never really been really good at explaining things. So I'm more of a visual person. So I'm making this video, and hopefully somebody can benefit from it. And it's very simple when it comes to painting eyes or just painting in general. Um, One of the things that I do when I paint eyes is that I use a lot of transparent colors. So I use transparent gray, transparent white, and transparent black. And they're really a must if you want to blend in colors in this really, really small area. When you have a really small area, it's really hard to blend it in where the lines that you're trying to blur out are not very obvious. And in this video, I'm trying to I'm trying to show that what I'm doing. The other thing to notice about me in this eye is that I'm not using white or black. The darkest value, it's a really, really dark gray, but it's not black. You can buy a very dark gray in Montana Gold, Cobra 94, but I don't use black. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show the a little square of black and a little square of white, so you can kind of see the difference. The other thing is that I don't use white. The color that I'm using right now to add the little highlight, kind of like give it life. It's a really, really light gray, but it's not white, and you're gonna see the difference. And the reason why I don't use white or black is because nothing in nature is actually white or black. You sort of learn about this if you have taken any formal classes for art when you're painting realism, just realistic in general. You don't really use just pure white or pure black. So that's one of the things that I see a lot of people do is that the I'm not even sure what it's called, but the white part of your eye, they always paint it white, just pure white. And the black part, they just paint it black, just pure black. And it looks kind of cartoonish when people do that. And in reality, even on the lighter areas on the side of the eyes, there's a huge variation of grays in there. So it's not just a solid color. If from far away it might seem that way, but when you're kind of just paying attention to all the little shading that I was doing in between there and in the eye, you will see that even on the light and on the two sides of the eye, the two triangles, the white part of the eye, I don't know what it's called, but I it's there's so many different shades of gray, and it's blended very well. And the only way that you're gonna do that is by using transparent black, transparent white, and transparent gray. Now, transparent gray, it's not really necessary, but it helps if you can get it. It's rare to find it in Montana Gold, but I bought a bunch of it from Montana 94, and it's very useful when I'm painting eyes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys learned something, and if you can, please like the video, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.